Hey student, watch this video and learn a step-by-step guide to help you with your listening practice. Coming up. Hey friends, Teacher Prix here to help you talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime in English. First of all, as usual, thank you so much for joining me on another English lesson. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing because from Monday to Friday, I have many different kinds of English lessons for you guys, okay? And if you are already subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Anyways, let's dive into the content. And hey, if you are already subscribed, you can hit the like button, right? Listening practice, step by step. And before I dive into the step by step, I prepared a video and a listening exercise file, a PDF file for you guys. And I will be sharing these exercises with the people in my Telegram group. Teacher, how do I get your Telegram link? Well, to do that, you have to give me your email. In the descriptions, there is a link. And in this link, you will register for free, okay? You will give me your email, then you will receive an email with the link to the Telegram group and a free ebook. Yes. So all you gotta do is go to the descriptions, click in the link that I'll be giving there, register, and you will receive the link. Okay, there are many people joining. This is really nice, so make sure to check it out. Besides the exercises, I also send some other exclusive videos with some ideas, so make sure to check it out. Okay, now let's go. First, choose a subject, okay? And I know I will seem like a broken record, but this is what you gotta do. You wanna practice your listening, you need to think, what do I want to listen? What kind of subject do I want to listen? So think about a subject you are interested in, something you want to listen about, okay? It can't be something that I want as a teacher, that I want my students to listen. No, it has to be something you enjoy, a subject you want to listen, or because you like, or because it's a hobby, or because it is important for your job. So think of a subject, okay? Now, when you think about a subject, it can't just be a word, a single word. House, sports, soccer, game, health, diet. No. Think of a phrase. Think of a question. Think of a long, it doesn't have to be very long, but think of a phrase, not just a single word. How to stay healthy. Good. How to practice exercises at home. Best games of 2019. These are some recommendations, okay? Phrase, never a single word. Now, for today's lesson and for the extra material I prepared for you guys, I Googled coronavirus vaccine. Yes, we all know that the coronavirus is something really awful that has been happening to all the world, and there are many companies working really hard to develop a vaccine, and we are going to do a listening exercise that talks about a vaccine and the process of getting the vaccine approved and tested so that other people can have access to, okay? So check the extra material, it's really nice. Anyways, moving on. Now, before you listen, what are you going to do? So the first thing you do is subject. You choose a subject. You Googled. You went to YouTube, okay? You can use YouTube to find the audios, because if you go just to Google, maybe you will find podcasts, but these podcasts will be too long. So you can use this listening practice on YouTube, okay? You can come to YouTube. I know I said Google here. I Googled, but you can go to YouTube and search the ideas, the phrases on YouTube. But we're going to talk more about this, okay? This is just an introduction part. Before you listen to the subject you chose, I also want you to use Google, but for different reasons. I want you to read subjects that are connected to the thing you want to Google. So let's say you chose, okay, coronavirus, the vaccine. when you go to Google to find articles, to find texts, I want you to find one or two and read about the subject. So in this case, the vaccine. So read about the vaccine. Try to find some articles for you to read. You can choose just one and focus on exploring the vocabulary, the phrases, the important words connected, related to this subject, okay? Why is this important? This will prepare you for the listening because remember, the subjects are connected. So this part will prepare you for the next part, which is really the listening. So here you should spend some time reading and analyzing the text, learning the different words, okay? Anyways, the next part, you will find a video or an audio. If you go to Google, you will probably find a podcast. If you go to YouTube, which is easier, you will find a video. I recommend you do that on YouTube. It's faster, it's easier, it's more convenient, and there are billions of recommendations of videos for you to watch, okay? Now, first thing, remember, a 2-word sentence, a 3-word sentence, it can't be just one word. So here I Googled on YouTube, I searched on YouTube, coronavirus vaccine, or is there a vaccine to the coronavirus? So these are things that I Googled and that I checked on YouTube. Now, the second thing you're going to do, number 2, you will filter the results. Why? If you just go to YouTube and you type what you want, YouTube will give you results of long videos, of short videos. YouTube doesn't care. For this exercise, I want you to focus on short audios, on short videos. So near the search box, the search bar on YouTube, you can filter the results to short videos, okay? That's how you do it. So the second thing is short. No more than 5 minutes, okay? They have to be short videos. So more than 5 minutes, it'll be too long, it'll be too difficult for you to concentrate. It's not the goal here. The goal is to improve your comprehension. So it has to be something short, okay? Now, after you get to the results, focus on videos that have subtitles. If the video doesn't have subtitles, it'll be more difficult. You can do it, but I don't recommend. I recommend videos with subtitles. Number 4, for comprehension practice, to improve your comprehension, you will listen to this video, to this audio, 3 times only. To do this practice, you will not use the subtitles or the transcript if you are using a podcast or a website that has the audio for you. So in this case, do not use the subtitles, do not use the transcript, okay? Excellent. The practice. All right, so you found the article and you read it. Now you went on YouTube, you began to listen. What do? Okay, listen once, play. Very good. Don't pause, okay? It's very important. As you are listening, take notes. Write down keywords, okay? When the video is finished, when the audio or the video is over, write a short explanation, 3 phrases, 4 phrases, a short explanation about what the audio is about. What do you understand? Write a short explanation, 3 phrases, 4 phrases, no problems. Then you can listen again. Number 2, you will follow the same strategy. Don't pause, listen, get some words, key phrases, and when the audio is over, write a short explanation again. And in this moment, when the audio is over, okay, you can wait, you can write, take a look at your notes, it's fine. Finished? Oops, sorry. Ready? Listen again and repeat the same process. This is a comprehension practice. This is what improves your listening. It's not just listening 100 times to the same audio. No, After this process, you finished doing your comprehension, then you can check the subtitles or the transcript. Why? Because now you will check what you truly understood. What ideas could you really understand? What were the main messages from this audio, from this video? So now you will check your notes and you will compare with the information you can read from the subtitles or the transcript, okay? That's why this video needs to be short. Imagine doing this with a 1-hour video. Even a 20-minute video is already too long, okay? Anyways, and hey guys, consider subscribing because I have many lessons like this one. Anyways, finished. As I said, now the comprehension exercise is over, okay? You finished. Now you can use the transcript or the subtitles and practice different kinds of exercises. The first one you can practice is shadowing. You will read the subtitles, you will follow the subtitles, or read the transcript. And with that, you can practice intonation and pronunciation. This is a very good exercise, and it's going to be a short exercise because the video is short, okay? Another thing you can do is check the vocabulary. Pause. I don't know this word. Let me check. Dictionary. Oh, okay, now I know. Vocabulary. You will only improve your comprehension if you improve vocabulary. So this is a good moment for you to check. Oh, what expressions did I learn? What new expressions are here? What new verbs, phrasal verbs, idioms? So this is the moment for you to do that. And here, you can do this many times. It doesn't matter. It's okay. This is actually very good for you. Okay? Now, Teacher Prix, how can I do this alone? How often should I do this? I think that every week you could focus on one audio. You don't have to do many. You can do this practice with one audio. And every week you change the subject. So this week we are going to do the coronavirus vaccine. Next week you can do another subject. Oh, how to lose weight at home. Oh, how to cook. Easy recipes for single people. You know, the financial market crisis. Search. And you can focus on one subject per week. This is what I do with my students in my online English program in the Real English Academy, and it works really well, okay? We focus on one audio, but with different kinds of practice, okay? So to practice your comprehension, you need to test what you understood. You need to write down, you need to take notes. What did you truly understand? That's how you know if you are improving or not, okay? As I said, I will be sending to the Telegram group the video and the PDF file with the exercise. So make sure to check it out and apply the strategies I'm showing that I showed in this lesson, okay? Other than that, I want to know, how do you practice your listening? Let me know here in the comments, what kind of exercises do you do? How do you really practice your listening comprehension? And if this video was helpful to you, make sure to share it with your friends. By sharing, you help the channel grow. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye!